Photographers, what do you absolutely need to attract your dream clients? Amazing images. It sounds obvious, so why does everyone focus on the business and marketing aspect first? You need to elevate your images and create a signature style, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Hey there, I'm Marcy Meredith, wedding photographer turned photo editor, and I'm here to help you, photographer, with your editing. Let's get into 4 reasons why you absolutely need a signature style. You'll attract clients who value your artistry. Your images are your calling card. Do you know how fast someone will leave your website if they are not attracted to your photos? Pretty much immediately. As a consumer in general, I know that I can be really quick to leave a website, probably within seconds, if the images and the brand are like kind of a hot mess or full of really dated trends. It's probably a bad habit of mine, but I value artistry and style, and it's usually apparent really quickly if it's there or not. The next reason why you need a signature style is because you'll create industry relationships and gain referrals. I actually just read a post from one of the world's top wedding photographers, and she said that she books 80% of her weddings from wedding planners. That's huge. Planners and vendors want amazing images to showcase their work as well, and then they refer their clients to those photographers. The main vendors as far as referrals go are usually planners and venues. Most people will book photographer, planner, and venue 1, 2, 3, depending on which is their priority. I would say most time photographers are number 3, so you'll end up getting referrals from the first 2. Planners want to be able to tell their clients that they will receive beautiful, consistent images no matter what their wedding looks like or where they get married. They want to trust that you will deliver. And when you do, they'll continue to refer you as the one to book. Because consistency is so important to planners, and it should be to you as well, I have a free guide for you called the Consistent Editing Roadmap, and it will get you started with more consistent edits. I'll put the link in the description for you. The next reason why you need a signature style is so you can charge higher rates. People pay for quality, for luxury, for style. And this is true no matter what industry. Clothing, restaurants, homes. If you don't think people will pay for value, then you are prejudging them, because I promise you they will. You just need to provide a high quality product in return, which means you are going to need to improve your editing skills and your style. It's never too early to refine your skills and style, because you'll be able to increase your prices as you grow. And word of mouth. Happy clients will shout to the world if they love their photos, whether it's to a few close friends or all over the internet. Sometimes you need to nudge them and ask questions, but often your clients are going to be your best referral system, especially your ideal client. Once you reach that perfect couple, that perfect wedding event, the style, everything that you love, you are more likely going to be referred to people like them. A bride and her bridesmaids probably go shopping at the same locations. They probably go on trips together. They might live in the same neighborhood. If you loved working with that bride and she loved you, there's a great chance that you'll be shooting those bridesmaids' weddings. So it's true that maybe you have a client experience issue or some other business problem that you need to fix. But when you want to book your dream clients, your images are going to be what attracts those clients to you. They need to speak for themselves in their unique way with their own signature style. Remember to get started with that consistent editing roadmap. It's a free guide that I put the link in the description for, and you'll be on your way to a consistent signature style. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.